Oh my God. There's that first one started there, then we got two more, one on this side, and then one way in the back. There's that first one started there, then we got two more, one on this side, and then one way in the back. 20 torque. You use this little 1/4 inch drive so I can get back here, get this last T20 screw, and then the blower should be ready to come. I can clean out all that nasty shit. Come on. That's a weird angle. There we go. Finally. Now, look at all that nasty crap there. That's what I was after right there. I could not reach with my shop vac. Then I can dump this out and actually put my cabin filter back on. So let's see if we just I'm just gonna leave that right there for now. I'm gonna wipe it down real good. Got a Lysol wipe here. I'll wipe this down real good. I'm also going to get some mint leaf and wipe it on here, as I heard mice do not like mint. Got some of these Q-tips I'm going to I could unconnect this too if I wanted, but I hate dealing with those plugs. Yuck. breaking them off, and you got a whole other problem. And hopefully they stay out of here for a while. Dang mice. Alright, already works a lot better. Do this too. A little bit less. Alright. Now for the secret weapon. Some mint. You could use some Alright, now we're gonna put it back on. I'm actually gonna attach the motor on here and reattach all of the screws. Again, it's a T20. All right, there we go. See if I can find it. Oh, there it is right there. And we can push this thing back in there. This one over there. There it is in there. Not a bunch of garbage. Same thing up here, nice and clean. Alright, now we are ready to install the... Alright, so this is what I'm replacing after this. Fram. I like Fram. So, I'm just going to place it back in there. Let's see here. Airflow, there we go, that's what we're looking for. That is how we found it. Alright, it's in there, cool. Place this thing. It's retaining guy. There's supposed to be a screw in there, but It was not there. I think the mechanic must have stole it. Yeah. All right, let's put the go backs back on and go box. So let's start her up and see how she.
Here on the buried treasure show.
Yeah, feel it. It's gonna smell a lot better in here. And there we have it. Hopefully, this works out.